We got another tornado report 2 miles northwest of Switch City. Not much information on that, but again, that just shows further confirmation of what is a tornado, and unfortunately, likely a strong tornado on the ground. West of Lafayette, Bloomington especially, there could be some significant wind gusts that push 75+ miles per hour, but I do not want to lower the concern level for areas in central Indiana. Low top supercells merging into a line or broken set-on lines is what we're expecting for Wednesday afternoon and night.
White Christmas or no?
No.
No?
That's a big old no.
Okay.
I mean, you didn't see Frosty the Snowman in the image, right?
I did not see Frosty.
Frosty the Waterman. Road temperatures will be important to monitor because for areas that see below freezing road temperatures, road impacts increase further. I talked about you folks in Bloomington and Columbus. Now the rain has moved towards your area. Bloomington started picking on some showers. Rain pushing north of US 50. Hold on though, I'm not finished. We're gonna have more snow coming in later in the afternoon, evening hours. Yeah, I know. Now everyone can do the facepalm emoji. I mean, the rotation on that is really impressive, and that's just crazy. I mean, you can see the large wall cloud, and then the tornado itself is just skipping along. But that's just the air temperature. This is what we're feeling like right now. You ready for this? Kokomo, now you're feeling like 9 degrees, feeling like 20 in Shelbyville. Tennessee, Kentucky, 7 p.m., 72. Houston, Purdue, Indiana's own Purdue Boilermakers, tough matchup against Houston, but never say never in March, right? 68 by 10 o'clock. You might need the jacket. Some dry air has really been causing this system to really struggle to strengthen, and as we see some extra convective development, that red spot there, that's like a hot tower basically forming, meaning that this storm is still trying to intensify at times. This is why you really shouldn't be driving even in severe thunderstorm warnings, because again, you could even have some flying objects in the air, especially with winds this intense. Tornado moving into northwestern Marion County now, so high confidence is ongoing. Well, we can see debris there.
Yep.
High confidence tornado is ongoing. Debris signature over Eagle Creek. It's moving towards Meridian Hills. Okay. Basically going to cross over parts of the 465 loop on the north side as well. We see that warm air fuel these storms out to our west. And this is going to be a very mean line of storms in Illinois. It's expected to gradually weaken as it pushes in from the west. Thursday morning impacts are minor, of course, but then they get more on the moderate end of things with gusty winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour, and heavier snow with some rain mixed in.
Not really feeling like December, is it?
No, I don't know what December or winter is anymore, Tim. I don't. I know the first half of the month was pretty cold at times, but now it's just like, that seems like an afterthought.
Yes.
Winds will kind of shift a little bit to come out of more of the west-northwest tomorrow, but they won't really hamper temperatures. Matter of fact, I think we're going to be even warmer for tomorrow. The biggest hail is going to be closer to Greencastle. That's probably, I would say, it's also where the strongest wind is, but I'm not going to discount you guys towards Boone County. Listen, guys, a confirmed tornado is located 7 miles east of Columbus, moving northeast of 50. Hartsville to Greensburg, take cover immediately. Tornado is down. This is confirmed by trained weather spotters. So mainly north of campus.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Schumann Stadium's on the north side,
Yep.
Campus Shidler Apartments, Varsity House, Village Promenade. Those areas could get impacted by this tornado. It's going to be close, but too close for comfort. Take cover now. If you're in Winchester, take cover immediately. This is a dangerous thunderstorm. This is a dangerous situation. The Weather Service is upping the warning considerably on this tornado warning to what is now a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado. There's spotter confirmation of a tornado approaching Winchester. Drew, this is probably an intense tornado, and we don't say this to scare you guys, but we have some serious concern with this storm. The Weather Service is saying, as of the latest report, it's still on the ground, debris signature on radar. Highway 135 south of Nashville, very concerned, upgraded to considerable, strong rotation, very intense debris signature. It's also even causing a 3-body scatter spike down radial. Ryan, when we talk about that feature, that feature is usually associated with large hail. Good Monday afternoon, everyone. We are tracking a busy forecast into the middle of this week as a large and strong low pressure system moves in. We're talking showers, which will be heavy at times Tuesday into Wednesday, half an inch to an inch of rain possible with gusty winds in the mix as well. Now, let's set the stage on how we're going to get there and what we're coming off of. We're coming off of a cold start to March. We're roughly 10 degrees warmer as of right now than we were for the highs this past weekend. These breezy southerly winds are fueling this warmer air, as you can see, for example, especially in Bloomington and Evansville. That warmer air on the way for Tuesday and Wednesday, but it comes at the cost of that large system coming. So right now, those showers, these are not falling to the ground. This is virga, that's dry air that's trapped in the cloud base, or should I say dry air that evaporates rain as it's falling towards the surface. So no rain making contact with the ground right now. Here's a look at these alerts across this country in association with this system. I mean, it is going to be an impactful, large, multi-state system. Lots of wind alerts from basically out from New Mexico into the southeastern United States. Winter alerts up to the upper Midwest and towards the high plains. We're going to be on the warm side of this system, not the cold side to start, but we'll be on the back side of the system, which will bring in colder air by Wednesday. So severe risks are also in association with this. No shock there, because these do tend to carry some heightened risks usually for this time of the year. An elevated risk in the Red River Valley region tonight. That threat shifts east into the southeastern United States for Tuesday. Our severe risk locally currently confined towards like Evansville, but can't rule out some stronger wind gusts in both thunderstorm and non-thunderstorm fashion. So we'll keep an eye on that for you as we go into Tuesday night. Let's time this down, storm checking your futurecast. So spotty showers possible Tuesday morning and afternoon. Dry air is going to have to erode a bit first before we can work in some more formidable showers. And as you can see here through noon and 4 o'clock, that trend continues. But by 4 p.m., you'll start to see that massive rain I'm talking about towards the west that'll inch closer and closer as we get to sunset Tuesday. By 8 p.m., widespread rain as expected. Some heavier pockets of rain expected as well. And by 10, 11 p.m., this features what I'm talking about here for potential for some stronger wind gusts as well. This will probably be our best chance at it. So that's the marginal severe risk could move more north, especially tomorrow night. Breezy winds expected tomorrow with gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour at times, especially by Tuesday night. So we're going to be talking a breezy and pretty warm Tuesday. So we're back to above normal once again tomorrow with highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. It's going to feel great temperature-wise, but then the system brings back colder air. So how that plays out on Wednesday is this. Highs will be in the morning hours. Wind gusts will be up to 30 to 40 miles per hour. There will be a bit of spin with this system, so we could be talking some rotating clouds. Not ready to say colder funnels are possible yet, but we come back to us on that by tomorrow especially. We'll have further details on that as we get closer. The colder of the system starts to wind out, and then boom, some snow showers possible Wednesday night. Yeah, just because it's now March 3rd does not mean winter's over. Winter's not over, I guess, till it says it's over, right? So you got some snow mixes in Tuesday night. Rainfall amounts ½ inch to an inch possible. 7 to extended forecast. We're tracking temperatures that'll cool off a little bit Thursday with highs in the low 40s. Back in the 50s this weekend with some rain chances Friday and Saturday. That's 60 on Monday.